In the serene town of Crestwood, nestled among rolling hills and meandering streams, a story unfolded around an aspiring musician named Maya. Her passion for music transcended the ordinary, and she dreamt of creating a harmonious community where every resident could share in the joy of melodies. Maya, armed with her guitar and a heart full of determination, embarked on a quest to unite the people of Crestwood through a grand musical festival, Harmony in the Hills. She believed that the power of music could bridge divides, heal wounds, and foster connections that would echo through the hills for generations. As Maya strummed her guitar through the town square, she encountered individuals from various walks of life, farmers, artists, teachers, and children, all with their unique stories and rhythms. Inspired by these encounters, Maya set out to form the Crestwood Harmony Orchestra, a diverse ensemble that would showcase the town's rich tapestry of talents. With the support of her newfound friends, Maya organized workshops where musicians collaborated with painters, dancers, and poets to create a symphony of creativity. The once quiet hills are now echoed with the sounds of collaboration, laughter, and the collective heartbeat of a community coming together. As the day of Harmony in the Hills approached, the townspeople joined hands to prepare for the grand festival. The hills were adorned with vibrant decorations, and stages were set up in meadows, inviting everyone to share their unique expressions. The festival became a melting pot of creativity, where the town's diverse talents harmonized into a magical symphony. Harmony in the Hills not only celebrated music but also ignited lasting friendships and understanding among the people of Crestwood. The echoes of laughter and shared melodies resonated through the hills, creating an enduring sense of unity and community spirit. Maya's dream of a harmonious town had come true, and as the sun set behind the rolling hills, she strummed a final chord that echoed far beyond Crestwood. The town had found its rhythm. And the story of Harmony in the Hills became a cherished chapter in the collective heart of a community that had discovered the extraordinary power of harmony and togetherness.